Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's find Reset. And here scroll to find Reset Mobile Network Settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So as you can see, they are divided. And basically the whole idea of resetting everything is the same. So just tap on the specific option, tap on Reset Settings. We will have to enter the screen lock to confirm everything. And here your device is informing you that you cannot undo this action. So just tap on Reset if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this info. And obviously the same with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so just tap on it, tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see, we just successfully reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.